What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Guys, today we are doing something different. Today we are going to do a review on this hair product called Simpler Hair. Simpler Hair, basically what this is easy to use color for men or women, I assume. Comes in different colors. You have to actually order the color that you need. Comes in many colors. Comes for grays, guys, basically for taking out this gray right here. So basically super easy to use. Comes with the whole complete set. What it comes with, guys, it comes with your little instruction booklet. It even has a scan right here, so you can scan to show you exactly a video of how to use it. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use it. Comes in your nice little box. Comes with your little bag. Little thank you message on the inside. And here's what comes inside the container. Comes your little Simpler Hair one solution. Basically what this is, guys, is one spray. You're gonna spray it on your little brushes. Comes with two of these. Also comes with a small touch-up brush, which I think I'm gonna use for myself. One like this, so that you could get in between the little areas. Comes with a pair of gloves, and it comes with two cleansing packets like this. These are to wipe off the excessive product that you might have on the edges or around the edges right here, guys. It's good to read your instructions, follow the instructions. I already did my swab test in the back here, back of my ear, make sure that I'm not that my face is not gonna get irritated by it. So I am going to try it right now. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to trim this up a little bit and get it all nice and tight on the edges. That way I could it could look properly. And then what we're going to try out, we're going to try out the Simpler Hair, and then we're going to try dyeing it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dye my mustache, my goatee, and I'm going to dye a little bit on the top right here. I'm just going to run it through the top because I do have a bunch of grays on the side right here on the top, and we'll see how it comes out, guys. And I'll be your tester for today, guys, with Simpler Hair. One thing to note, guys, is right here inside the booklet, it gives you all the different colors that it comes in, because it comes in natural black, black, dark brown, medium brown, light brown. And what it does right here is it like, so I'm using the medium brown, so this is a medium brown right here. And it'll tell you exactly what your wait time is on how long do you leave the product in. So if you have heavy gray, like I feel like right here in my goatee, I have heavy gray. So if you want to leave it here and you want, say you want this darkness right here, then you need to leave it in for 20 minutes. If you want it this light darkness, and you need it for 10 minutes. If you want it real dark, then you leave it in for 30 minutes. So keep that in mind. The little wipes are for wiping the excessive amounts around your back. You can use, it says it's optional and it does not come included, but you can use a color blocker or stain guard around the edges if you want, if you're worried that you're going to stain your face. I noticed that it really doesn't stain your face when I did it on the swab test, so I'm just going to try it without the stain guard. I'm just going to apply it on there as easy as I can, and then from there we'll see how it comes out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the coat on the brush first, and I'm going to put it on the top of my head first, and then I'm going to go to the goatee, so that way it mixes up really well, because you really don't mix it. You actually just apply it on your comb. Both little edges will come out. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, what I'm doing is kind of just cleaning up my beard a little bit. Just getting the lines nice and tight, guys. So super simple, guys. All you do is grab your little swatch right here. You have your little container. It's going to come out. It has two openings, so it's going to come out a double layer, guys. There, it came out like that. See that? And then you don't mix it on there. What you're going to do is just apply it to your hair. Without making too much of a mess. I'm telling you guys, this is super easy to apply, but it's hard to do it while I'm looking at myself on this phone. Use the tip of the front of the brush. And this is where my strongest grays are, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use that little application brush that came with it. And I'm going to grab some of the product and use it like this. And apply it to the mustache. Maybe I'll just try it this way. I feel like most of it stayed in my hair. Our time is 8:53, okay? So we're gonna leave it in for 20 minutes. I'm applying it right here on the sides because right here I have a lot of grays. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more on my thing right here. That way I could do my beard a little bit better. I'm gonna mix it on here. I'm gonna do it on the mirror so I could come back and show you guys right now. So just to give you a, this is the first time ever using this product, guys. So I'm noticing that with this little front brush right here. But I noticed it right here. Plus, I have some couple hairs coming out white on top of my and my goatee or my eyebrows. So I also put a little bit on my eyebrows. So I think that's it, guys. I put it on as much as I could. Let's wait the 20 minutes and then we'll rinse it off. And we'll see how it came out. So far, super easy to apply, guys. Super easy to apply. Let me clean up and we'll come back and we'll show you guys before I rinse it off. And then we'll rinse it off and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, 15 minutes in and look at this. It's starting to take color. So we'll rinse it off in a minute and we'll see how many hairs I missed. I feel like I missed a hair right here. Look at it's like one white hair sticking out. Alright guys, we're at 20 minutes right now. So I think I'm gonna rinse it off now. It looks pretty dark. I'm gonna wash my hair, wash my face, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks and if it looks natural. It feels odd to look at it like this because I'm not used to having my hair black or brown around my face. So this is a medium brown right now. So let me rinse it off and see how it looks. Alright guys, here I rinsed it all off and this is what we came out with. I feel like I missed some hairs right here. Some hairs right here. And a few right here. But other than that, what I do like about it is it does look natural. It doesn't look so nothing but brown, brown, brown. It looks like I have a few strands of gray in there, which makes it look a little bit more natural. But I think if you want to take out all the grays completely, you have to have a second application right here on the side, on the goatee, just where all the hairs that I could tell that I missed. And it's probably because of the way I applied it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a second application right now and see if I get this a little bit darker right here in the front. And then what I'm going to do at the end is just trim it all up a little bit. And but other than that, guys, I couldn't justify that it's super easy to use. And you saw how grayed out I was right here. Now, all of a sudden, it's not as grayed out. It's a little bit grayed out, but it looks more natural. So I feel like it looks like maybe 5-10 years ago from when I had my goatee before. So let me put that second application and we'll look at it right now again. Alright guys, I applied the second coat on there, so let's see how long it, leave it in for 20 minutes. We'll let it get dark, nice and dark, and then I'll rinse it all off again and we'll try it one more time. Alright, second application is in. I'm going to rinse it off now. It's been about 20 minutes again. Looks nice and dark when it's on before rinsing it off. Let's see how it looks after. Alright guys, here's the final product. It looks pretty good. It looks kind of natural. That's a good thing about it. Doesn't look so overwhelmingly dark. I think I picked a good color. It kind of leaves a little bit of tiny grays in there, which makes it look more natural, I feel, instead of it just being all super dark. I'm sure I could have done better probably, and right here I could have done a little bit better. But for the first application, I like it because it's not so, makes it look so unnatural. I'm gonna rock it and then we'll see. If you guys are interested in getting this product, guys, this product is by Simpler Hair Color. I provided a link in the description. Just click on the link, it'll take you right to where you can purchase it. Remember, it comes in different colors. Comes in black, brown, light brown, dark brown, blonde. They even have a ginger color for you guys that are gingers out there, guys. So if you guys are interested in getting some simpler hair, super easy to apply. I'm not even lying, guys. Within an hour, you can have this all done at your own home. Super easy to do. I highly recommend. Don't forget, guys, I left a description in the description of the video, a link to purchase this, guys. If you guys are interested in getting some simpler hair color, super easy to apply. You can do it at your house, and I think it looks super natural, guys. Made me look a lot 10 years younger. Went from 55 to 45. There it is, guys. Simpler hair. If you guys are interested, the link's in the description.